So all you retro gamers, pay attention. We're going to find out what Lakka is and how it can benefit you to play in your favourite games. Don't of course confuse it with the Lakka plant, no it's not that of course. So Lakka is available for lots of different pieces of hardware, including PC, lots of different development boards like Raspberry Pi, including your Amlogic TV box. So what is Lakka? Well, Lakka itself is an operating system just like Windows and Linux, but is known as an embedded operating system. Lakka is actually built using Beelink. We all know what Beelink is, and we've covered it many different times on this channel. Lakka is to Retroarch as Beelink is to Kodi. We all know what Kodi is. It's a multimedia center, and Beelink does a really good job at running it. But what is Retroarch? Well, Lakka is built to run Retroarch, and Retroarch is a really dedicated system to running your retro games, just like Beelink is to Kodi. So Retroarch is a complete system, it really is, and it's dedicated to running those emulated retro games, and it covers lots of different pieces of hardware, from early hardware to more modern. But why Retroarch? Well, it's well supported and maintained, covers a wide range of systems, can be tweaked and adjusted to get perfect emulation. Well, almost. Why not just use individual game emulators? Yeah, absolutely, but Retroarch coupled with Lakka brings us an all-in-one system that is robust, stable, and allows us to keep everything in one place. Retroarch can take some time to master, of course, and Lakka allows us to run Retroarch separate and all in one place. We've covered this installation process of a Lakka many different times on the MXQ project. You'll need a PC, of course, to actually do this. You also need an SD card, and of course you'll need the appropriate hardware. So head over to Lakka.tv, and over there you'll find lots of different downloads available for lots of different pieces of hardware. The range of hardware available is of course quite wide, but I do urge you to go and check it out. It's available for Raspberry Pi, your PC, lots of different development boards, including your Amlogic TV box. And yeah, if you're interested in retro gaming, go check it out. Thanks for watching.